In this tutorial, I will show you how to change uppercase to lowercase in Word. Hey everyone, this is Lucy. Let's get to the video without any delay. So I have this text and I have mistakenly typed a whole sentence in caps lock. So I would need this to be in lowercase. So what I need to do is select this sentence and go to Home tab, and here in the font area I will click on this option called Change Case. Here in the drop down menu there is this option lowercase. Click on it and you will see all of the uppercase letters have been lowered. So the word itself has pointed that the first letter of the word needs to be capitalized. So to change this, select the sentence again, go to the same option, change case, and here you will see sentence case. Click on it and you will see your sentence in the correct format. So if you need to change something like heading, in most of the cases, heading are usually in capitalized form, but I have typed my heading in lowercase. So in order to change this, you need to go to the same area, click on uppercase, and it will change my case into capitalized form. If you don't like this, then you can always switch to capitalize each word. This will capitalize only the first letter of the word, like that. Let me try it in this line. Yes, as you can see, all the first letters of this line has become capitalized only. So here are other options for cases. You can use them, try them out, and find the differences. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.